Driving around your neighborhood, you probably see more houses with solar panels these days. As the cost of solar plummets, it's become more affordable to power our homes with the sun, which has the nifty side effect of reducing utility bills. And with lots of our communities setting goals to reach super high levels of renewables, rooftop solar could become a significant piece of the puzzle in conquering climate change. But understanding how much rooftop solar people will actually choose to install has been kind of a mystery. And the folks who plan our power systems kind of need to understand this, because it impacts the energy resources they need to build. Luckily, at NREL, we have a group of super smart researchers who have figured out the formula. Meet Ben, Paratosh, and Trevor. They're the lead developers behind DGen, a first-of-its-kind model that can actually simulate how customers make decisions about rooftop solar. They did some research and found a few common factors that impact a person's choice to adopt solar. Whether it saves them money, whether their neighbors have solar panels, and if the person considers themselves to be innovative. And the team wanted to actually use these findings to help the folks who run our power systems understand what might happen in the future. So, they built a model that takes these factors into account, using a super sophisticated agent-based approach. Not like FBI agents. Agents in this sense represent individual decision makers in a given location, based on real data about things like electricity use, demographics, property assessments, and roof scans. Like this agent. Let's call her Agent Ashley. Her next-door neighbors just got a rooftop system installed, and those local solar companies will not stop knocking at her door. The model plays with different combinations of future situations, like lower solar prices or different tax incentives, and simulates how Agent Ashley, and the rest of her community, make decisions, all the way out to the year 2050. See how Agent Ashley picks solar in this scenario with tax credits, but not in this one without that sweet refund money? These detailed insights can't be found anywhere else, and they are incredibly useful to the folks who are planning our future power systems with high levels of renewables. So thanks to Ben, Paratosh, and Trevor, and Agent Ashley, customer decision-making around solar is easier to predict. Learn more about how the DGen model works and how you can use it to explore rooftop solar and a growing list of other customer-adopted technologies at nrel.gov/dgen.